In Focus 6, we will be learning how to set up and navigate different types of tags within the controls project. So we have I/O input-output tag data in a couple different locations in the controller organizer. One, we have it local to specific instructions like we did in the add-on instruction for the motor data. So these tags are technically local only to this instruction, and they're not contained within the controller's tags. The controller tags are visible by double clicking this controller tags icon at the top of the screen. So here we see the output tags that we created that go along with our motor data add-on instruction. So those tags were stored on the controller, whereas the others were local to that specific add-on instruction. One problem that we have with our tags at the moment is this motor data is not stored on the controller. This motor data 01, we see the scope is in the main program, which we don't want. So we don't want that tag there because we want that stored in the controller. So I'm going to delete that tag. Now it sees there's a problem with the tag. That's okay. We're just going to rename this motor data for the blower, because in the controls lab system that's a blower motor that we have in there. So I'm going to change that to motor blower. I'm going to create a new tag. That tag's going to be in the scope of the controls project, and it's going to be in the data type P_motor data where we created that add-on instruction before. So all that's okay. Now we will see our blower data is referenced in our controller tags by this tag here. So our main routine now will be able to see this function block and output the tags correctly, because it knows that these tags are going to be output with this add-on instruction that we created. We can go through the PDF. We also see there's a way to to add a new tag to the system. That's easy. You just right click on controller tags and add new tag. Then we can pick the name of the tag, the type that we want to create. So I'll just put my new tag. I want it to be a function block Boolean AND, for example. We'll get to that stuff later, but basically we can pick what we want it to be, click create, and it'll add the tag in controller tags. We also could just go directly into controller tags, and this last line allows us to add or edit a new tag. So we can add anything. We can add new tags there too. In this case, I'll just do a reel. So those are two different ways that we can add tags to our controls project. I'm going to delete those tags.